Welcome. The CUET PG 2025 results have been declared. Now, what next? It's a very important question because this is a landmark result that would help you get into a good university. Now, one thing that you need to know is the list of the universities you have already filled in while you were filling the admission form, right? There could be certain scenarios where you might think that your score is not where you would be able to get the university that you marked for, or your score is good enough and you did not mark the good university. So at this point we won't be able to navigate much on it, because you have already given the choice of universities, and based on that choice of university the ranking would be there in the counseling, right? So that's the first thing. Now the second thing is, once you are into the university, this is just the starting stone or the stepping stone. So what you need to do next? Now once you are into a university, there are three things where you would actually delve into. One is research. The second, specifically for social sciences domains, is teaching. For sciences, there is another option where you would be looking for direct placement, and even for social sciences in many subjects you might be looking for direct placement. So there are three different categories, we could say, where students would navigate after the CUET PG. They have entered into a university for their master's program. Either they would look for a direct job or placement, either they would go into research or teaching. Now either if you want to go into research or teaching, what is really important is to qualify the next step, which is NET examination. Now to get into NET examination, it's really important that what you have studied so far is just the fundamental. What you would be studying in the next 2 years in your masters would be the basis for the NET examination. Now under many universities there is a criteria that you have certain electives, and even under the new education policy the elective enrollments can be seen even with the SWAYAM courses that you opt for. Now once you have been opting for those courses, you would be seeing that you are preparing only for a segment of the syllabus of NET, and there are certain sections which are completely left. So keep this in mind, that while you are preparing or taking the courses for your master's level examination, if you are inclining towards preparing for NET, it is a good idea to give a thought to the syllabus of the NET examination and select the topics that are actually related to the NET examination. So that would give you a benefit there. There could be certain courses which are nowhere asked in your NET examination, and if you take a course on that, you would possibly be really good into that. If you really want to go for research into that domain, that's really a brilliant idea. But in other cases, if you are specifically targeting on NET as you complete your masters, then it's a good idea to align your strategy towards NET from the very beginning. So getting into research, getting into teaching, and getting into placement are the three good options at this point of time. And even there are certain students who prepare for GRE who really want to go for research in abroad, and that is another domain that you can explore for. Now again, it's important that certain universities are asking for internship, right? And this internship could be a 60-hour internship that you have to show on files, where you have contributed to industry for 60 hours, and you would get an internship certificate of minimum those hours. Now this criteria varies from university to university, so I cannot mark a specific criteria here, but yes, there is requirement for internship with good universities as of now. And if you are looking to fulfill that internship requirement, you can definitely connect back to us. We do provide internship opportunities to students who have qualified CUET PG with good scores and are enrolled in one of the good universities and into various different courses ranging from social sciences to sciences. So we do provide an opportunity for internship for students looking to get the internship opportunity. Can connect on the number below. So thanks for joining in. Have a great day. Wish you all the best, and of course those who have got the result, good luck for your university selections ahead. Thank you.